TheCovertCrow is gonna make special homemade banana muffins. 2 batches. First thing you're gonna need are some bananas. Now make sure they're very ripe. Smash them all up. Amy, whose recipe is this again?
It's my mom's.
Great-great-grandma's?
Oh my god.
Apparently it's mom's. It's mom's recipe. Now you're gonna need 2 bowls. One for wet ingredients, one for dry ingredients. Vegetable oil, 1/3 of a cup, 1 egg. I'm back. Crack. 1 egg. Just 1. That's in the wet ingredient bowl. In the dry ingredient bowl, 1 cup of flour, teaspoon baking soda. Make sure you get that right, not baking powder, baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt in the dry ingredient bowl. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. I think that's about right. Yeah, that should be good. 1/2 cup of sugar. Add that to the liquid mixture. Mix that up thoroughly. Now you're gonna take the liquid banana mixture and add it to the liquid mixture, if you get my drift. Because once you smash up all them bananas, they kind of become like a little liquidy, right? Then mix that around thoroughly so that you have 2 mixtures, 1 dry, 1 wet. And the banana flavor is all with the sugar and the oil and the egg and you know what I mean. Preheat the oven to 350. Now once that's mixed up thoroughly, you're gonna take the liquid mixture, pour it into the dry mixture and mix up really well. Don't forget, make sure that oven's preheated, 350. Fahrenheit? Celsius. Fahrenheit. Can you believe I used to work in a bakery? Mix that up, and once your batter's ready, you should be good to go. Now you got your mixture ready to rock and roll. We gotta prepare your muffin tray or tin or whatever the heck you call them. Pan, no stick. Shake it up thoroughly, especially because there's not a lot left in this one. Oh, this is so much fun. Looks like it's lined. Sorry. Technically, if you use like those paper things, the liner things that go in there, does it become a banana cupcake? Or does it matter? We're loaded up and we're ready to go. Into the oven. All right, they're in the oven. Set your timer, 21 minutes. Oops. Feel free to use whatever source you got. Digital, analog, don't matter. DAVOSA Ternos 60s special edition diver. I'm utilizing the bezel, 21 minutes. Have one of these on the ready. So when their 21 minutes is up, you can do a little test, slide that in, and if anything sticks to that stick, you know she's not quite ready yet. Delicious. Just like Mama used to make. I'll post the recipe there so you can see, in case you want a quick recipe for some banana muffins. You never know, you might get the urge, but they're really tasty. Do all those special things you do. We'll see you on the next one. I'm Ross. Thanks for all the support. Bye.